Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all enjoyed your Deepavali holidays. And after a break of 4 or 5 days, we are again here. Okay, today we are going to start and chapter number 12. It's the electricity and circuits. And in last online class, I shown you bulb and cell and the terminals of the cell. And that was a simple activity or the introduction of the chapter. Today we are going to start the chapter. Okay, then there are many things that work on electricity. We know about them as television, radio, computer, water purifier, heater, electric oven, washing machines, vacuum cleaner, yes, motors, pumps, etc. Since these devices need electricity to work, they all are called the electrical appliances. They are called electrical, sorry, it's too much thick. Okay. They all are called electric appliances. Electric appliances. APPLIANCES. Electrical appliances, right? Uh, I think this pen should be thick. Okay. And industry also need the electricity to run the machines, and we also have the vehicles such as trains, buses, cars, which run through the electricity has simplified our life so much that we cannot imagine our life without the electricity, है ना? We all know about it. And uh, which device do people use when there is no electricity on the street at night, and they came out to go out, or they came to go out, you know? In that case, when there is no electricity, the street lamp will not light and there will be no darkness all around. In such a case, people prefer to take the torch with them. It enables them to see the way, right? Okay. Now, a torch has a bulb that lights up when it is switched on. Where does the then where does the electric uh, where does the torch get electric power or the electricity from, है ना? चलो, let's discuss about it. Then before discussing it, we will talk about that what is electricity, है ना? तो we all know about that कि we have, suppose we have the torch, right? In the torch there is a small bulb enclosed in the glass cover, and there is a switch on the cover surface of the torch, and to give it on or off position. If we switch is in the on position, then the bulb will glow, and if it will be in the off position, then bulb will not glow, right? Okay, the working of the torch shows that something must be flowing through the bulb when the electricity is switched on. This thing that caused the bulb to glow is called electricity. That is called electricity or electric current. Electricity, or we can say it electric current. Electric current, right? Okay. Now, from where this electricity come from? Then inside the bulb, this electricity come from the electric cell. It is the electric cell inside the torch which is responsible to give the power to the torch to glow, right? Okay, electricity to the bulb in the torch is provided by electric cell, and the electric cell are also used in the alarm clock, wristwatch, transistor, radios, cameras, and many other devices, right? And if we see the bulb, as I told you in the online class also, there are two signs in it, plus and minus. Actually, these are the two terminals. These are the two terminals. One is the positive terminal, this one, and the second is called the negative terminal, right? The metal cap is the positive terminal, है ना? You can see this metal cap here. Then this side is called positive terminal, and the next side is called negative terminal. All electric cells have two terminals, right? An electric cell produce electricity from the chemicals which are stored inside. है ना? If we say ki how this electricity is generated inside the cell, then these are the chemicals which are stored inside it. These chemical convert the chemical energy into the electric energy, right? The electric cells stop when all the chemical is used up inside, right? Okay, now see this caution. You might have seen the danger sign. This is the sign of the danger. This sign shows that there is danger here. And then electric stations and where the electric bolts are there, then this type of the sign you can see there. It is a warn people. It is to warn the people that electricity can be dangerous if not handled properly. Carelessness in the handling electricity and the electric device can cause the severe injury, right? Sometimes this injury may convert into the death also. Hence, you should never attempt an experiment with the electric wires and sockets. And also remember that the electricity generated by portable generators is equally dangerous as normal, right? Use only the electric cell when all you are performing any of the activity, right? Okay, now see, bulb. These are the bulb. Uh, Normally these are the torch bulb, and this is an inside picture of the bulb. In the bulb, it has an outer case of the glass that fixed in the metallic case. This makes base of the cell, right? Then it encloses a thin coiled metal wire which is called as filament. You can see it if I enlarge this picture. Then inside this you can see this metallic wire. This is called the filament. It is made up of tungsten. This is a metal. It is made up of tungsten that is supported by the two thick wires. You can see these thick wires here, and of these one of these wire is connected to the metal base of the bulb, and other wire is connected to the tip of the tip at the bottom, and the metal case and the tip at the bottom are two terminals. One is positive and one is negative. You can see it here. The first terminal is here and the second terminal is at the bottom, right? And the filament of the bulb, this filament of the bulb glows when electricity flows through it, and if the filament of the bulb break, then it will not glow. This bulb will not glow. Such a bulb is called the fused bulb and has to be replaced, right?